Welcome to 909 Spruce Street here in Charlotte, North Carolina, 28203, the subdivision Wilmore. This house is a showstopper. Beautiful Luxury Wilmore brick ranch house. It's move-in ready for you to truly start enjoying the great house with all its charm. Fantastic floor plan with looming ceilings, open living and dining, and spacious kitchen. A lot of the updates were done back in 2021, including our architectural shingle roof, new windows, new AC, all new plumbing and electrical. The house also features finished oak wood flooring, luxury Calcutta quartz countertops, modern soft close kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and farm sink in the kitchen. The modern single handle kitchen faucets, a gray accent backsplash, 6-inch commercial copper gutters. The primary bath features dual vanities and Calcutta countertops again, luxury glass walk-in shower with tiled walls and ceiling, and a big rain shower. Laundry room was recently added, and did we mention there's designer lighting throughout. Fairly new concrete driveway and a concrete patio outdoors so you can truly enjoy the backyard. And take a look at the size of this backyard. What opportunity can you do to truly enjoy? Don't forget, this property is not located in a flood zone and it's not deemed historical. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to know everything about Charlotte, North Carolina and the surrounding areas, then subscribe, tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know that's what's going on here in the current market in Charlotte, North Carolina. My team and I get calls, texts, emails from people just like you reaching out to us every day. Also looking to move here to the Carolinas in the Charlotte region. So are you thinking about making a move to Charlotte? Then you've come to the right place. If you're looking to move here 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, I'm your guide. Let me show you why. Are you moving across town or across the country? Let us help you with your local real estate needs. We can help you find the right place at the right time and in the right time frame that you need. This is why we can help you save time, energy, and ultimately money.